is an example of a question जो हमने डिस्कस नहीं किया है, and let's say you have not read about this anywhere. So how will you guess the answer, right? The next cheat code is decoding the terms in the exam, right? If you are seeing any new term, how will you decode that? तो मुझे बताओ इसका आंसर क्या होगा? What will be the answer to this one? In which of the following reflexes gastric emptying is delayed when the acidic content enters the duodenum? So think logically. This is the acidic content entering the duodenum and then it is delaying the gastric emptying. So something coming into the duodenum and then it is sending that negative signal to the gastric emptying. So what reflex is that? Is it gastrocolic? मतलब stomach से colon पे जा रहा है. Enterocolic, entero means small intestine to colon, gastroileal or enterogastric. So what is the direction it is going? From the duodenum, the stimulus is then going to the stomach to inhibit the gastric emptying. So logically thinking, I can mark the answer as enterogastric. So from the duodenum, the signal is going to the stomach. So remember, it is entero, that is duodenum is sending the signal to the stomach. So even when I have not read this term, I will be able to answer that it is enterogastric. What is gastrocolic reflex responsible for in a newborn, in an infant? What is gastrocolic for? Gastrocolic. स्टमक से जा रहा है कोलॉन में, तो उसमें क्या होता है कि स्टमक में जैसे ही बेबी को फीड करते हैं कोलॉन में सिग्नल जाता है और डिफिकेशन होता है, राइट? सो डिफिकेशन आफ्टर फीडिंग विच इज कॉमन इन द न्यूबॉर्न, सो दैट इज व्हाट इज गैस्ट्रोकोलिक, राइट? डिफिकेशन इन द न्यूबॉर्न, दैट इज गैस्ट्रोकोलिक, ठीक है, आफ्टर ईटिंग. Is that clear? So this is how you decode the terms. This is another cheat code that you have to learn.